What's up everyone? Welcome back. It is your natural nail guru, and today we have another awesome review. So it's review day. I get super excited when I get to test out products, and today we're testing out Kastiny gel polish. So these were actually sent to me by the company. I did not pay for them, but you guys already know that does not affect how thorough the review is. So they sent me these two kits. Now these kits are available on Amazon. They generally, as I was browsing through, I see that pretty much all of their product are sold in gel kits. So you get this cute little box that has 6 colors, which they do have a lot of color combinations to choose from. And what's really amazing that I thought is that each one of these kits comes with a base coat, a glossy coat, and a matte top coat. And these are, I think they're half-size bottles. Yeah, they're like half the size of a traditional, I guess, regular size gel bottle. And in the box, you always get a little thank you card and this general instruction kit, which is really great because it tells you pretty much from cleaning to curing to soaking off. It lets you know what you need to know about gel polish. So they sent me 2 kits here. The kits generally range between $15.99 and $17.99 on Amazon, depending on which combination it is that you get. Now this product is also cruelty-free and non-toxin-free, which is really, really awesome because the healthier that we can get things, the better, right? Now in reviews, what is it that we're looking for? Pretty much every single thing. We're looking at the overall first impression stuff, which would be the consistency, how it goes on, how the manicure looks, was it easy to polish with? Did I have any issues in the application? Is it really nice and shiny the way that it's supposed to be? Look at smells, look at pretty much everything across the board. And then we wear it and go about our day and see how it wears after the couple weeks, which is really what the most important thing is. So before we get into this review, if you want to have the most thorough and extensive nail product reviews, this is a channel that you want to be subscribed to. This is the channel that you want to share with your nail enthusiasts. There is definitely no one out there that is reviewing product like Oh My Gel. So if you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that share button. Let's get everyone on board. There's lots to share, lots to know. It can help every DIY and nail professional. So take a moment to do that, and let's get into these first impressions. Okay, so here we have fully prepped nails, and we have the Kastiny base coat. Consistency is pretty nice and thick. Has a very, very light smell. Doesn't really have a chemically smell at all, which is nice. The brush is super smooth. All right, that brushed on really nicely. Have no separating on the top. Really nice and glossy and smooth. It's not runny, which is really nice. Okay, awesome. Put that one in. Oh wait, I gotta turn it on first. That might help. We're gonna be using the gorgeous color B009. Oh yeah, this one's super pretty. Chocolatey. It brushes on really nicely. I really like these brushes. They're actually shorter than usual, which they tend to be a little bit more stiff, but it doesn't have like separation. It is a really nice brush. Good coverage just on the first coat. Really nice. All right, go ahead and put that one in. Okay, and now for the final step, the glossy top coat. Doesn't say whether or not it's wipe off or no wipe. Consistency looks pretty similar to the base coat and the polishes. Not too thick, not too thin. And the brush smooth as the other ones. This also has little odor and definitely not chemically. Let's see, is it sticky? Oh, it's a no wipe solution. No stickiness. Maybe it is a little sticky. Actually, maybe it is a little sticky. Let me wipe it just in case. Maybe it doesn't feel like it's sticky. Yeah, it's not sticky. I'm gonna wipe it anyways because I got my fingerprints on it. Very, very nice. So here we go, a beautiful manicure. The glossiness is very nice. Sorry, I got a little oil on there. It is a no wipe solution, very low to minimal odor. Did you smell anything while I was brushing on? Yeah, it is definitely very low, even compared to some of the normal gels that I use on a regular basis. Really nice and glossy. The consistency was consistent across the board. The brush is very nice and smooth. Super cute. So overall first impression was really nice. It applied beautifully. We had really nice coverage. Overall smell, there wasn't really much of a smell. I would say maybe the glossy top coat had a little bit more of a chemical smell if you get up close to it. Definitely not something that you'd be able to smell from keeping a normal distance from the bottle. The base coat almost had a pleasant smell, honestly. But definitely no strong smells, no application issues. It went on smooth, great coverage for the color, really great consistency for the gel polish. And it was nice and shiny. And as always, I have a few different hands out there testing out these products for these reviews, so let's check those out. This client also has a full manicure with Kastiny base, top, and polish. Looking super beautiful, and of course no issues with application, looking really nice and shiny. So my next lovely client is actually testing out Kastiny compared to my trusty Gelish. Kastiny is on the right hand and Gelish is on the left. Definitely no difference on day one, both shiny, both applied smoothly, looking good. Now my last client is actually testing out the matte top coat compared to what I normally use, which is Wildflower. So let's check out that first impression. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a quick little first impression since this tester is gonna be doing the matte top coat for Kastiny. Let's see. All right, it's definitely not totally clear. Most matte coats are gonna be a little cloudy. Let's take a whiff. Yeah, it's such a soft smell. It smells like something I've smelled before and I can't put my finger on it. It's almost satisfying. It's like, I don't know, a clean hotel bed. Maybe it's like clean, never used goggles for the beach. I don't know what it is. It's very nice. It's definitely not as thick as the Wildflowers, although the Wildflowers does get a little bit thicker as we use it. But I have no runniness in the cuticle. It's looking good. All right, go ahead and put that one in. Very nice, very matte. You can't really see a difference in the matteness. Now remember, this is the trusty matte Wildflowers, and this one is Kastiny matte top coat. She's a lefty, and I like using the testing products on the dominant hand because if we're gonna test it out, we're gonna test it out. All right, but it's looking, I love that it looks matte right off the bat. Really, really nice. Awesome. Definitely loving how matte that matte coat is on the first day. Have high hopes for that one. So overall, we're starting off great, but first impressions is not what it's all about. I want to see the wear. I know you want to see the wear. So let's get into how these manicures looked after a couple weeks. So my first client came back with her nails intact. A nail break on the middle finger called for some glue, but overall did really great. Still shiny, doesn't look like there's any discoloring on the polish. And these hands definitely go hard between manicures. I'm really glad to see that they survived. My next client types away all day at a doctor's office, and she came back also perfect. And with such a light color, we can definitely see that there was no discoloration, still has shine, looking really good. Now my third client with the comparison, I see no difference. Still shiny, still intact, although sometimes she does come back without her nails intact. I'm glad to report that they also survived. We did a darker color, so discoloring is almost impossible to tell, but they're really looking pretty close to what they did on day one. I'd say it's safe to say that there was little to no discoloring on this one. And last, my matte girl. These are actually the hands of my pedicure specialist. I know her nails are on point. They're always on point, so I'm super happy to see that Kastiny pulled through. The matte is still matte, no lifting, no chips. She has a slight discoloring around the tips, but it's on pretty much every single one of her nails and really even. So compared to the Wildflowers, it's still little to no difference. Results always speak for themselves. There's not really much for me to have to say. Across the board, all of my clients came back with their nails super on point, no chipping, no lifting whatsoever. The nails really look almost as they did on day one, except for the growth and maybe a little bit of scuffing. But I'm so happy and impressed with how great the quality of this product is. I mean, 6 polishes, base, top, and matte, and you're paying less than 20 bucks for it. That's pretty insane. And these polishes are gonna last you a while. I do a lot of polish, as you can see. I have a lot, trust me. These bottles will last you a long time. So it's really, really awesome to see such an affordable and really great quality product that you can use in a professional salon. I'm really happy to say that I totally recommend them, even though they weren't asking for that. They're gonna get it anyways. I would 100% recommend this product. It is absolutely amazing. I'll make sure that I have the link down there for one of the kids. You have a lot of different options. But overall, just really impressed. Now, Kastiny, you just need to get some lacquer so we can match these gels with regular polish so I can use more of your product. Hit me up. Let's get to work on that. But overall, really great. Thank you so much, Kastiny, for sending me the product to review. I do appreciate it. I'm looking forward to trying anything else if you want to send it to me. But overall, I hope everyone loved this review. I hope that you guys saw what I saw, which is a really great quality product. So thanks again for tuning in, all of you amazing viewers, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.